This is a cutting-edge system for supporting the maintenance and management of roads and structures, utilizing GIS and 3D point cloud data. It's the InfraDoctor. The system enables the easy handling and editing of point cloud data and video images. 2D and 3D CAD drawings can be created semi-automatically for use in a variety of situations. The data is collected by an original mobile mapping system developed by our company. Emitting up to 2 million laser pulses per second allows the simultaneous obtaining of point cloud data and omnidirectional video, boasting performance that is one of the best in the world. Software services are provided through a cloud server. Huge quantities of point cloud data can be handled smoothly online. Operating it is also simple, with an easy-to-understand layout. This has allowed our services to be used anywhere, by anybody, in a comfortable environment. Moreover, a limited liability partnership, LLP, was established by the 3 developers of InfraDoctor. This LLP provides the InfraDoctor software service through a cloud server and manages the data held by users. This enables effective and convenient use of the data at a reasonable cost, without the trouble of establishing and managing your own standalone server. Furthermore, we can provide various consulting services according to the needs of our customers by making use of InfraDoctor. We provide customers with optimal services and advanced support by making use of our latest technology and accumulated know-how. You can leave it up to InfraDoctor to take care of all your road and structure maintenance and management needs.